Schedule. Adamson Arellano, Lasal, Dasmariñas against Ateneo de Manila. That's all on this Sunday here at the arena.
Sunday picnic here in the arena.
In the meantime, look at the options, the choices for Ruby De Leon. Bate whips it down. Dindin keeps it alive. Praca tried to dunk it. Unsuccessful. Reverse set. Buhay pa.
Long rally.
Longest of the game. Looked out, but how can you tell if you're on the floor?
Oh,
that stays down.
Smartly, Bate with an off speed gets the point finally. Well, Aranas now 14 excellent sets. Ang problema, Ruby De Leon doubling that number to 28. USC 6 attack points in this set and NU having 10.
Very suave serve and the dump.
Height is might.
No question. Pani is just disappointed that she was a tad late getting to it. It happened too quickly.
Dalawa lang, spiker ha, dalawa lang.
Bate still trying her best, and this is still manageable. It's just a 2-point lead for the Lady Bulldogs.
Metos Bate trying her earnest best. Don't forget, for Fun Family and Pizza, it's got to be Shakey's. Oh, Pan is keeping it in play. Praca, huli siya nun. They reprise it.
Oh, Ruby De Leon making that first ball a beautiful set. Akala mo parang perfect na binigay sa kanya, pero umaatras siya nung kinuha niya yon.
Parang pinotoshop niya.
Ang hirap nun.
Ruby De Leon with just so many options that she herself creates. 18-15, still close as ever. Both sides playing patty cake. Nice dump. Natatawa si Pablo sa ginawa niya. And that's in. That's in.
Point goes to USC.
Abigail Praca all set to serve. Ordaz almost unready, unprepared for it.
Parang nagland lang yung bola sa kanya.
Nice double block.
Quick reaction by the girls of USC.
Medyo nice yan si Ruby doon. First time somebody gets it. Oo eh. Malayo! Malayo! First bad set by Ruby De Leon. Hoy! 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 Kayo! Kayo ha?
Ay.
For the love of it. Happy volleyball. The quote of the day.
Oh, but this time,
Nepomuceno.
perfectly executed connection once again. Ruby De Leon to kay Nepomuceno.
Cortez. Obinque. De Leon.
Oh, Jesuga going cross-court.
She got it. Good eye contact from the back row to Jesulga in front.
Dinadahan-dahan na naman sila ng USC.
Naiinip ang inyo pag ganyan eh. Oh, balik lang ano?
Yung floor defense talaga. Pag nag-work sa USC, mabuti ang kalalagyan nila.
Wala, in-Instagram nung Ali. Kinunan.
Bumalik. Bumalik na sa ginagawa niya.
It's like your cell phone being stolen. It's just shocking. But Ruby De Leon just does that with so much class.
Oh, yes.
Oh, she's done that. You don't know when it's going to happen kasi 21-18 is NU inching in closer to the end. But let's see if there's a lot of spunk left in this Warrior team. Let's listen in.
Diba? Kung nakita kasi tarap mo lang, ipanulas-ulas mo lang, ano magsiba yung takbo ito sa mga kasi kung dapat ipinsa. Gusto niya mahapang lang natin siya. Kamo na pagkawatan ng mula. Yaw, kumalait na yaw. Hoy, paminaw, kumalait na nung block sa tunga, open spiker, at amot is dagan sa tunga. Pagiging sayang down the line.
Gina! Tulog! Yancy! Fire!
Look at this. This is one of the liveliest plays. Hello. Just bouncing it through. 21-18. NU knocking at the door of closing this game.
Nice sharp serve.
She's playing well in all departments. Huh? That's even a setup job.
Oh, once again, Myla Pablo. Talagang having a heyday today. Ang maganda, mataas ang porsyento ni Myla Pablo. Hindi
tsaka
lang basta maganda nilalaro.
Kinalma na rin siya ni Ruby eh. Oh, Ruby
Okay.
in a second error of the day actually.
Forgivable.
Forgivable of what, in considering what she has done for this team today. 22-19 is the tally.
Well, UST is still in this.
Yep, they need a stop here. Bate
and Bate.
almost killed the linesman.
Napailing ang line judge natin doon. Well, Bate wanted to go down the line once more.
And the linesman, buti lang, volleyball player rin.
Hadlo ka kita gusto mo hadlo ka tagas ni kamu. Pagkapulo din sa tubangan. Tayo ang pagbirig sa dapat ng bola. Lawa sala ka rin tarawa rin mamaway para. Ina ba? Kita kayo ni block dito para di magkakatuyo. Kuritso lang ka dito gawas, kuritso magkahapak. Sa paghapak ni puna mo sa bola. Kira kaya mo na. Kabrin sa mapak, kabrin.
Warriors!
Okay, 23-19, SF Sarmiento Mosi Rabena taking care of your second game in our schedule for today. By the way, don't forget that the schedule for Sunday, we've been flashing it quite a bit here. It will be Adamson Arellano, LaSalle Ateneo, that's LaSalle, that's Marinas.
Well, now we are at match point. Santiago getting an ace.
But what a brave
Yes.
team from Cebu, huh?
Correct.
They need one or two tall players to get to figure more prominently in the tournament.
Well, miscue on the side of the Lady Bulldogs. A flawless game needed for USC to come back in this set.
Especially ngayon, match point na, no? Lakas, and that'll do it. This is over. A very gallant stand
Oh,
by the
yes.
University of San Carlos Warriors against the National University Lady Bulldogs. A lively, entertaining game, lots of talent, lots of exciting moments. We take a look at their shake and play, and when we return, shall have Rina Villamor talk with our best player of the game. Okay, we were kidding the players from NU that everybody was asking for a slice of the pizza from our best player, no?
Oh, you know, it was a total team effort for NU. Ang dami nag-score. Pero ang dahilan dun sa mga scores nila, Myla Pablo, Dini sa Jaja, lahat sila Ordas, ang dahilan doon ay na kasama ni Rina.
That's right, Mosey. Ang ating Shakey's best player ay walang iba kundi si Ruby De Leon. First of all, congratulations to your team, Ruby. Siyempre, sunod-sunod na ang pagkapanalo nyo. Ano ba yung magiging preparations nyo at adjustments nyo pagdating dito sa susunod yung mga kalaban, which is the Perpetual team?
Siyempre, yung mga kulang namin sa loob ng court, yung receive namin, mas lalo pa naming titibayan. And then, sa palo, mas lalo pang i-improve. And then, yung blockings namin. Ayun.
Alright, dahil ikaw ang ating Shakey's best player, hindi mawawala ang ating Shakey's representative, si Miss Beth, para ibigay sa iyo ang iyong pizza. Siyempre, may mga gusto ka bang pasalamatan at batiin para sa larong ito?
Siyempre, batiin ko yung family ko, yung dalawang family, yung mga pamangkin ko, si Denise, si Matthew, si Marcos. Sa lahat ng friends ko, nagpapabate, hello daw. Then, sa lahat ng sumusuporta sa inyo, and of course, sa V-League, Shakey's V-League.
Alright, maraming salamat sa iyo, Ruby, and congratulations to the NU Lady Bulldogs. I'll turn you back to Sev and to Mosey.
Okay, Mosey, I'll see you again next week,
yes,
siguro.
definitely.
More happy volleyball between you and me. Of course, that's the quote of the day. And we hope you've had a happy volleyball day as well. It'll always happen when you come to the Shakey's V-League.